Previously.
So there are multiple different channels out there that allow you to go to them and basically find the best tips and tricks on the market. Ashley Christ, I do not know which one is the right one, and have taken some notes from and have basically learnt from and grown. I'm basically going to compile that into videos and see where this actually takes me. We have a lot to get through, so to prevent your pretty faces from getting bored, I'm going to break this down into multiple different videos. Here's what we're going to cover. So without further delay, here is my confession. Now, before diving into a saturated market, already filled with some of the biggest names in the world right now, I did my market research. Now, doing market research is probably the number one thing that I would actually definitely recommend anyone to do before you actually dive into anything when it comes to social media especially. And the last thing I wanted to do was to go into a saturated market not knowing what I was doing and what I was aiming for, trying to achieve, especially when other people have already got it right.
If someone breaks in, wubba lubba dub dub, you're wubba lubba dub dead.
I looked at multiple channels where the niches are sort of the same as mine. So I would browse different influencers across the net and just to see what works for them. So that would be from their titles to their logos to their everyday Twitter posts even, just to basically see exactly what they do from day to day and what makes them a successful influencer. Using the information that I had gathered, I was able to draw up a current plan so that for my designs, what I was going to do on what social media, basically drive my entire channel and brand forward, and overall give me that push personally to actually go ahead and make this channel a thing. Now, I thoroughly did my research into this for about 2 or 3 months before I did anything, got any kind of design ideas and wanted to where to go with things. Now, for any of you that are actually going to be doing your own market research anytime soon, there is one quick tip I would like to share with you. If you are going to be looking at these bigger YouTubers and bigger Twitch stars, make sure that you look through all their social media accounts. That's including their Instagram, their Facebook, their Twitter, everything. This will basically give you a bigger picture as to what really works for them. At the end of the day, they would not make it on just one platform. They need to become discoverable. They have now become discoverable, and that's your main aim to do so. You need to become discoverable. So don't just think that, because they're big on YouTube, that they haven't been doing something elsewhere on Twitter. Skipping this step is a big no-no. If you do this, I guarantee you're not going to be as discoverable as if you were going to share it on 3 other platforms. So definitely do this. That's my big quick tip. I'm just going to move on now. Now, moving on from market research, there is personal research that you need to be doing as well. You don't want to just be jumping into all this streaming stuff especially and not have the internet or the hardware to do it. The same goes for videos. If you're rendering, it's going to take you a long time if you have a bad PC to a good PC. So there's that to take into account. So just to help you guys, I'm going to throw up a list of what I checked and exactly what I examined thoroughly to make sure that yes, I had the right equipment, I had the right software, I had everything that I needed to really kickstart this journey, and hopefully this will give you guys a hand. I'll also be extra kind and spoil you guys, and I'll leave in the description below some of the specs that you do need and would require to really stream and all the other stuff. So check it out in the description, and yeah, I hope this helps you guys. Now I'm just going to throw up a checklist of exactly what I've run down. It's basically a quick breakdown of what I've just spoken about. And yeah, so that's basically the start of what you need to do and what I have done. And yeah, hopefully you guys actually enjoyed this little video. I know it's a very, very short one, and I know I promised a longer video, but I found out that if I was going to give you the longer video, it's going to be like 30-40 minutes long, and I don't want to bore you guys to death. So to prevent that, I've done it in short little snippets. Again, the upload schedule I'll throw up on the screen one more time, just to give you guys an idea. And yeah, hopefully you liked it. If you do like the video, subscribe, notification button, everything down there. Do share the video so that we can get this popular and hopefully help other people that want to become influencers and content creators online. Just basically blast it away, get it into the stars. But yeah, thank you very much, guys. Love you all. If you do want to support me, there's a Patreon link down below, and hopefully, yeah, we can get this kickstarted. I'm really excited for this project. I know I keep saying it, but yeah. Love you guys. Bye.